To preserve battery health on POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate to battery settings right here, and then we can look for the charging option, for the battery protection. Inside, you'll be able to check all of the battery information, but most importantly, we can find the charging protection options. So first option is charge fully, which offers no protection for your battery. Second option is battery protection, which sets a limit on battery charging for your device to preserve battery health. It will be set to 80. That means your device won't be able to charge over 80% of battery. You can also go for intelligent charging, which I would recommend to do only if you're charging your phone on a regular basis. What it does, it basically allows your phone to research how usually you're charging your device, for example, over sleep, and then your phone will charge normally. It will, when it reaches 80%, it will stop charging so that your battery will basically be protected. And then right before you're gonna wake up, it will resume charging so that it reaches 100%. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.